Hi, this is BRR. In this session, we'll discuss about ternary operators in C#. So what is this ternary operator and how we are going to use in C#? So the term ternary operator is an operator that takes three arguments, and the first argument is a comparison argument, and the second is the result upon a true comparison, and the third is the result upon the false comparison. So this is what the ternary operator purpose. And we can look at the syntax of ternary operator. If you look at the syntax of ternary operator by looking at this notepad, and the syntax of this ternary operator would be, where result equal to Boolean conditional expression question mark first statement colon second statement. So this is the syntax here. As you can see in the syntax, ternary operator includes three parts, this one Boolean expression, and this is the first statement, and this is second statement. So it includes conditional and first and second statements. Contains statement which will be return if the conditional expression is in the first part evaluates true. The third part includes another statement which will be returned if the conditional expression returns false. So like if this condition is true, then it returns statement, first statement. If this particular statement is false, then it returns second statement, and the result value will be assigned to the result value. So ternary operator returns a value or expression included in the second or third part of it. It does not execute the statement. Okay, we'll look at some example like how it is going to work in console application. So if you look at this here, I'm going to declare int x equal to 20 and y equal to 10 variables, and here I'm putting this into where result equal to x greater than y question mark. I'm saying x is greater than y, and keeping colon and saying x is less than or equal to y. This is the statement I've been written like this. Please remember, if this conditional expression once executes, it will return the expression but not the value of the expression. So this expression, even though it is string, sometimes you may keep a complex expression and compound expression with numerous operands and operators. That entire expression will be written and stored in this particular variable, but it will not execute that expression, and it will not give you the final outcome of the expression. So finally, I'm displaying this in console. Right line off. Simply say result red key. Okay. So this will return this expression either of this or that, and it won't execute this. Okay. In this case, x is greater than y because 20 is greater than 10. That is the reason it is returning the first expression, first statement as the result, and storing it to the result variable. That variable we are assigning it here. Not only this directly using of ternary operators, sometimes we may use nested ternary operators. So like, we'll take another example. Nested ternary operators basically a possibility when it will be means by including conditional expression as a second after this question mark or this third part colon of the ternary operators, then we may able to put the nested ternary operators. Let us take, if you put this particular expression as an conditional expression, then you may have nested ternary operator. We'll take another example, like we'll take one more int I equal to 2 and j equal to 10, and here I am putting result into string result equal to x greater than y. Here I am saying x is greater than y colon x less than y. I am putting another expression here, that is x less than y colon x equal to y, and again one more expression I am putting x is equal to y. If not, I'm saying no result. So this is my the ternary operator with nested thing. So if you look at this, my first expression x greater than y, it is executing this. If it is false, another expression I'm executing here, x less than y. If it is true, then it will execute this one. Otherwise, it will go for false statement, where it again have another conditional expression here, x equal to y. And I'm validating this condition and evaluating this expression and storing final expression into this particular variable. So this way you can use nested ternary operator based on the need, but definitely what it will be doing is instead of putting the expression at the question mark after or after colon as the second statement, if you put the conditional expression, then definitely it will be treated as another ternary operator, and it will execute as part of how normal ternary operator is executing. So this is the way we are going to implement in C# about this ternary operator. So if you look at this, both cases are two seems. This is I and this is J. Let's do something like okay. So this is about ternary operator, how it is going to work. So this is my expression evaluation after the execution of this program. So there are some points needs to be remembered while using ternary operator. Like ternary operators, basically returns a value. It does not execute it. So this should be noted while you are using of this ternary operator. Once you get the value and you have to evaluate it, or you have to execute that expression to get the actual value. And also it can be used to replace the short if-else statement, basically. If you want to execute this scenario, we need to write several if-else statements, right? If I greater than j, and else if I less than j, else if I equal to j, else. There are several if-else statements we have to use it to achieve this particular expression, in this case nested ternary operator. And to avoid this particular thing and use lines of code using if-else statement and decision-making statements, we have C# come up with this ternary operator. That way you can reduce all the lines and you can achieve things in single line. So that is what the advantage of ternary operator. Also in the nested ternary operator is allowed, it will be evaluated from right to left. So this is coming from right to left. This way it is coming out, but not left. Okay, from the right to left it is evaluating, so that you have to observe. So this is about ternary operator usage and the purpose of using this in C# to avoid if-else statements when you have a huge number of decision-making statements. Hope you understand the ternary operator purpose and the syntax of ternary operator we are using in C#. Thank you. Thanks for listening to this video.